Hello, good morning from the Gambia. So today we are back with another recipe called the steamed fish that we normally use for either breakfast or dinner, and we have it in the form of a sandwich. That is, we have it in between bread. So the main ingredients that we have for this recipe is minced meat, minced fish. Okay, so grounded fish. We have next to that we have some sliced habanero peppers, one. Okay, and this is a dish I like spicy because it's fish, and you know the taste of fish or the smell of fish can be too strong. So we need a lot of garlic for this and habanero pepper. So here I have one big sliced habanero pepper, and then I have black pepper on the side, like a teaspoon, full teaspoon, or you can have a teaspoon and half of a teaspoon as well. And then we also have onions, 2 diced onions, medium size, and we have 3 bell peppers, different types of bell peppers, the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and the yellow bell pepper. And then we have the green onions, so spring onions, and then we have 4 cloves of garlic. So these 4 cloves of garlic, the habanero pepper, and the black pepper are very crucial for this recipe because we're using fish, and fish can be strong in smell most of the time. So we need garlic, a lot of garlic. So we also have some fried potato chips, okay, homemade. Alright, that is to go with the sandwich. Our oil is hot, so we throw in the minced fish. So we are going to fry this until the minced meat or the minced fish. We will fry this until the fish is kind of brown in color. All of the water in the fish evaporates and the color is no more red like you're seeing now. Okay, that is when I throw in my garlic. Okay, as you can see now, all of the water has evaporated. We only have a little bit of oil in here. That's when I add in my garlic. Okay, I add in all of my garlic, and then I add in bouillon. I add in my Maggi bouillon, only one. Okay, I add in the black pepper also. Okay, I add in the black pepper. Alright, and the habanero pepper. Okay, the habanero pepper goes in there. So now all of my seasonings are there. And off camera I threw in a little bit of salt. Okay. So depending on the amount of fish you're cooking, you can measure all of these ingredients based on that. So the amount of salt, the amount of bouillon, and the amount of garlic or pepper you put is dependent on you. So now I'm going to fry this a little further, okay, because I have to be sure that the fish has cooked. So I'm going to fry it for another 2 minutes. Okay, and then I'll add in a little bit of water and let that water also evaporate before I add in my onions and the bell peppers. Okay, so now it has reached this color, okay, kind of brown. I'm going to add in 1 cup of water, or half a cup of water. Half a cup of water. Okay. Alright, so let's put in some water. Alright, it's fish, so you need to be sure that it is well cooked. So you can see the amount of water that I put, half a cup of water. Okay, so now I'm going to let it boil like this until all of the water evaporates. Okay, this is only to make sure the fish is well cooked, because you don't want to be eating it and smelling fish in it. Okay, so we're going to allow it to simmer down completely. So now all of the water has evaporated. Okay, we are adding in our ingredients. We're adding in our ingredients now. The onions. Okay. The bell peppers are coming. Okay. And the spring onions also. So the spring onion is optional, okay? It's only there for flavor, because it has its own unique flavor as well. So now we're going to mix in everything. Okay, and let these ones cook. So this is how it looks when we're done. Okay, this is the final product. Now we'll move on to the plating. Go to the so this is the final product of the steamed fish, and we're using this type of bread. We call it senfour in the Gambia, and this is the vegetables that are going to go with it. Okay, so now to the plating. Okay, we have some lettuce. Alright, then we have some cucumbers. Alright, we have some tomatoes. Okay, the plating you can do anyhow you like it. Alright, but I like to have my vegetables first, and then on top of that I have the steamed fish. So, alright. Then we have some mayo here that we can add to the top. Spread it. Okay. And some ketchup. Okay. So there you have it.